Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate you how to work with ask question and show message actions. As you probably aware, quite often it is not possible to automate everything, so we must have a way of interacting with the user by asking questions and providing the user with the feedback. Let me show ask question actions property. So here's our question, and for the message, here's the answer. Let's run it. It's a very basic package. To be, not to be, that's the question. So let's say yes, and the answer is indeed. Important thing to understand about those two actions that ask question will not work when executed from the execution agent, but show message will work and it will write a message into execution log. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you will find this tutorial useful. Please like and subscribe, and as usual, if you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum and we will do our best to help you. Thank you and bye.